Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your own overlays and edit them in Stream Elements OBS. Let's get right into it. Guys, real quick before I get into more of this video, can you please make sure to go over to my Facebook page where I stream nearly every day from now on. It's Noodle SPK on Facebook. This is what it looks like, so you know you're not in the wrong place. Follow this, you'll see where I'm streaming. So enjoy the rest of the video. Go follow. Thank you very much. Right guys, so the first thing you want to do is go to your browser and go to streamelements.com and you should be presented with this very screen. Now if you haven't already, you need to set up your account. I just want to say you'll notice something about this video which is different. First off, my face cam is on, and second off, I have an overlay. This overlay, like the blue overlay, is what I've created. Well, I haven't created it, but I've edited it from preset in Stream Elements. So the first thing you want to do is go to your icon up here and then dashboard. For now, you just want to go to alerts and overlays, and then you want to go to themes gallery to pick a theme that you like. Now, super themes basically means that you've got like a starting screen, you have main screen, like talking, be right back, ending, everything like that. That's what you can get. Right guys, so once you've got into super themes, you want to choose a theme that you like. Let's just see. So if you click on it, you can see the preview of what everything's going to look like. So you can see that at the top there you have some socials, you've got face cam, everything like that we want. You've got like a be right back screen. You have everything that you want. So let's choose this theme for now, just to do in this video. And then you want to click, once you've found your theme, you want to click create my overlay. Then don't worry too much about these links. I'll go over that in the next video. These basically just links what you put into OBS to have them as a source. So then just press C theme in my overlays, and then it will load your overlays. Now, if you've not got to this screen, don't worry. Just click my overlays over here in the left, and you'll come to this screen. Now, you won't have any of these things up here or any of these. These are all my overlays, but for now we're just going to worry about these. This is what you guys will have once you've picked your overlay. Right, so as you can see, these are different sources for your stream. So we're just going to go and edit, say, the be right back screen. So you can preview it, you can see what it's going to look like. But for now, we're just going to edit it. So we're going to click the edit button. So this, when I first started, this was very confusing for me. I did not know what to do. With this little bar at the bottom, if it gets in the way, like of the socials, you can hold this little rectangular thing here with the 3 lines, just move it any way you like. I'm just going to put it up there out of the way for the minute. So now what we want to do is we want to change the names of our socials. So say for YouTube, we're going to double click on the YouTube, and then you can see over here, it's highlighted the YouTube text layer. Now you know it's a text layer because it's got the 2 little T's there. That means it's a text layer. For now, we're just going to click on the YouTube, go to this settings icon down here, click in there, and then you can see the message is the text. So we're just going to change the message to our name. So as you can see down here, it is now changed, and that is what we want. Now to get out of this, just press the layers. Don't press the settings, just press layers. I'll do that again for you guys. So you'll be in this screen, you've just changed your name. This layers icon here, just click that to drop down that menu again, and then you get back to this. Now you want to go to, say, your Twitch name. You want to change this again, go to this settings icon and just change the Twitch name. Copy and paste, that's what I just did. And then again, the layers, just click down on that. And then the Twitter, you want to change Twitter. So settings, name of the Twitter, the layers, and then find the last one, which I think is Instagram. Settings, and just paste in your name and send it. Again, right, so that's all of your names put in, and then that looks quite good. Now that is all you really need to do. That's all that most of these things take, really. Also, if you want to see what follow alerts will look like, you can click emulate here, and then follower event, and then you can see there, that's what the follower event will look like. So if someone follows your channel, that's what it will look like. So that's about it for this video, guys. If you did like, please go to my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, turn on post notifications. Be sure to go over to my Facebook, actually. This is where I'm streaming now. Noodle SPK on Facebook. It's very easy to find. I'll put a link in this video. It's got all my banners and stuff, so you're not in the wrong place. You'll know it's me. I'm streaming nearly every day. As you can see, I was streaming yesterday. But yeah, go follow that. That's where I'll be streaming from now on. Go follow my Instagram, my Twitter. That's all just Noodle SPK. It's got all of these same logos designs, so you'll know it'll be me. You're not in the wrong place. Follow that to be updated on things. And yeah, overall, I hope you enjoy this video. Take care, guys. See you in the next one.